Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add someone to Duolingo Family Plan. So let's have a look now. Open Duolingo and then tap the super icon. In the super dashboard, tap Add Members or Manage Members. Select your method, text message, WhatsApp, email, etc. Confirm and send the invitation via the method chosen. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.